Organizations rely on accurate and well-structured data to drive analytics, research, and informed decision-making. Integrating data from multiple sources is essential for building a reliable foundation. Data related to ethnic origin often exists across different systems in inconsistent formats, making it difficult to standardize, integrate, and analyze effectively. Manual processing can be time-consuming and prone to errors. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed an ethnic origin integration and master dataset development solution that consolidates, cleans, and standardizes data into a unified master dataset. The platform collects data from multiple sources, validates and standardizes records, removes inconsistencies, and creates a centralized master dataset that supports reporting, analytics, and downstream business applications. Key features include multi-source data integration, automated data cleaning and validation, master dataset creation, standardized data processing, high data accuracy, scalable data management. The solution improves data quality, eliminates inconsistencies, enhances reporting accuracy, and enables organizations to make more reliable, data-driven decisions.